How to apply for a Santander Bank Credit Card step by step. So here is how to apply. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser and in the search address bar simply type down apply for a Santander Bank Credit Card and hit enter and search for it. You'll get to see various options available on your screen. Simply tap on the Santator's official login portal or applying portal. So you can see there is apply for credit card option available. Now all you have to do is simply scroll down and browse the available cards in Santander. Simply choose one according to your preferences and there you can see apply now or something similar to that, and all you have to do is tap on it and you'll be navigated to the page where you can apply for the card. So let me just choose any one from this, and once you choose one you'll have to fill out the application form in the next site. So now here you can see you will need to enter your full name, home address, date of birth, social security number, employment status, and income contact details, and add an authorized user or OPT for bank or balance transfer. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.